Hello there and welcome to another video. Any questions or suggestions, leave a comment. If you want to learn more about investing in the stock market, check out the rest of my channel and subscribe. So I'm going to jump on the bandwagon and give you some of the stocks on my watch list. So these are stocks I'm keeping an eye on, or companies rather, but I'm not necessarily going to invest in them. I'm just keeping a close eye on them and checking out all the news coming out about these companies. So these are potential investments, I will say. So there's going to be a lot of tech companies to start off with, so bear with me on that one. And we're going to start off with one of the best cashless payment plays, which are PayPal. PayPal is an amazing business, very innovative, very lightweight, they're really keeping up with the trends. It's all about cashless payments, donations, they have Venmo, a bunch of apps you can pay with, and PayPal is partnered with almost all form of payment companies and banks and intermediates. So this is definitely a play for the future of payments. Square is the exact same, just even smaller and growing even faster. So Square, I would say, is just as innovative and as strong as PayPal. They are also allowing people to buy and pay with Bitcoins now, which is huge. And of course, a lot of growth. So this is a more risky company, but still a good one to watch. Boeing, now, woof, all of a sudden we're on to heavy industrial stock, building big planes. Not only commercial planes, but also fighter jets. So it's also a play for defense. And the company pays a great dividend. It's almost 3%. It's a very cheap company. It's really dominating the aeroplane space. And I don't think airplanes are going anywhere, at least for now. And Boeing is by far the largest manufacturer. So great company. Netflix is about one thing and one thing only, and that is growth and intellectual property, so the shows they make, because there's nothing special about what Netflix does. It's just a streaming platform. There's going to be thousands of streaming platforms in the future, and all companies are moving to streaming and video on demand. So the only advantage Netflix has is it's a first mover. It's one of the first platforms. It's the biggest, and they're spending more money on content and TV series than anyone else. So all they can do is take the money and run, just grow as fast as they can and try and become so dominant and so big that they can just eat up the whole streaming industry. Now, a cloud play, Redhat, a bit of a medium-sized company, very innovative, quite a new company. They split off from a larger one. It's all about cloud and open services. They offer a free cloud service, and then they make money from the customer service and support around that product. So quite an innovative business model, very low expense, very nimble, fast moving company. So definitely want to watch if you want to get into the cloud. Right, now moving on to the 5 next ones. Again, a lot of tech companies, but bear with me on this one. So next one is going to be Alphabet, obviously Google, the king of the internet, the king of ads. It's a cash cow, very innovative, just a great play for the internet in general. Nvidia, best chip maker around. Chips are used to run computers, so it's a very important thing. They're used for artificial intelligence, Bitcoin mining, autonomous driving, you name it, high-end gaming. Great company, very high growth. NetEase, one of the largest internet and online gaming providers in China. China is booming, internet is booming, gaming is booming. It's just an all-round good play. Also pay a good dividend if I remember correctly. So that's NetEase. Facebook, the social media king. It's actually quite well diversified across Instagram, WhatsApp and Facebook. And Oculus Rift. I think the company's going to acquire a lot of other technologies in the future. Great CEO. It's a cash cow. Just overall great business. Lastly, it's going to be Gilead, which is a biotech company. I think biotech can be very important. It's basically making us humans a lot stronger. Genes, making us live longer and have less diseases. It's a very well diversified company. They have a lot of drugs, a lot of smaller companies, and it also pays a massive dividend of like 3% or something. So if you want to get into biotech, this is your play. So that's 10 stocks from me. If you want to know more about investing in stocks, you can visit investingforall.net. That's my website. And if not, I'll see you in the next video.